Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you access the help center of Wise. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Wise application. And after opening, just simply unlock the Wise application and then you will get to see a bunch of options. Now you just simply have to go over your profile picture into the top left corner. And from there, you will get this option of help into general section directly. Simply select the help option and then you will get a bunch of topics in order to get help. Now you can get help regarding the sending money problems, managing your account, and many more. Simply, you can also search for help article from this search bar. Now, just simply choose the topic which you want the help with and you can get help very easily. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.